Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have basics, hosting, and a website. First, pick the RSS source URL and test it in a browser to ensure it returns XML. Next, decide whether you will fetch feeds server-side for performance or client-side for simplicity. Server-side reduces CORS issues and speeds up page load. Once decided, create a simple fetch endpoint or script and log the raw XML so you can inspect tags like item and link, which you will parse in the next step. Now parse and transform feed items into your site's format. You will extract title, link, description, pub date, and any media. Use a robust XML parser so you avoid brittle regexes. Once done, sanitize HTML to prevent injection and truncate descriptions to a consistent length so your layout stays stable. Make sure to convert pub date to your time zone and cache the parsed results for a short TTL. This reduces load and avoids hitting source sites too often while keeping content fresh. Finally, render the parsed items into your pages with semantic HTML and clear links so users can follow back to the source. Use server-side caching and set a TTL between 5 and 30 minutes depending on update frequency. This keeps performance predictable. Once done, monitor logs and add a fallback. If a fetch fails, serve the last cached data and show a short notice to users. If things go wrong, check HTTP status codes and XML validity first. Those reveal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.